What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This video is going to be packed with just gems, free games, something that you can take and really apply to your trading, right? But as you can see in the title, we made 12,000 yesterday. It was a huge day. I called Palantir, not just in my private group, but I also gave this for free for those following me on Instagram and TikTok. Now, Palantir, I've been talking about as an amazing stock. I will continue to push this stock on you, right? Last year, it did over 300% in equities, meaning if you had any sort of option, any sort of long-term option, you probably 4 or 5 extra money, if not more, depending on when the expiration date was. So Palantir is a really, really, really good company. It's an AI software company that works with the government, right? They have a brilliant CEO. He's a real risk taker, and for some reason, they're a relentless stock. They won't let up, even when analysts on Wall Street are downgrading them, even when analysts are saying that they shouldn't be performing. They always find a way to rally. So this is like one of my top stocks that I have for equities, and one of the top ones that I'm buying for swings and day trading. It just moves really well when it starts to move. Okay, so yesterday I made $12,000. And what was so beautiful about it was that I was able to have my time, right? My mom was getting eye surgery, and I was like, you know what? I'll take you, to your appointment. I'll pick you up. I'll make sure you're good. And then I started thinking about a time when I was working, right? I started thinking about a time when I was, giving all of my time away to somebody else. I wouldn't be able to show up in that way. Now, I know a lot of you watching this are like currently working, which there's nothing wrong with. A job is brilliant, right? A job is a great way to start investing your money into the market, right? But if you do have a dream of, freedom and being able to spend your days how you want them before you get to retirement age, you definitely want to learn how to invest. So I was just sitting there, I'm just like, damn, I'm like, in this short period of time, I was able to make $12,000 just by simply pushing buttons, right? Just by simply knowing exactly when and where to get out. And I was just like, man, this is the reason that I'm doing it. This is my why. I don't know if you guys remember from a previous video, I was just like, you got to come up with a reason. So just having that freedom to kind of move how you want to is the reason that I do it. So let's just get into this play, right? I've done enough talking. Let's get into the play. Palantir had a reverse head and shoulders, right? A reverse head and shoulders is a very, very bullish setup. That particular setup, coupled with the fact that they had earnings coming up and had outperformed each time for the past 4 quarters, I knew it was a home run. So I called it out to my group. I called it out to Instagram, called it out on Facebook. I said, guys, when this gets to this level, when we break this level, enter. We broke this level and the floodgates opened up. People started buying into it at the end of the day on Monday, the day that earnings were taking place. But they, they weren't as aggressive as the post market. The reason they weren't as aggressive as the post market because a lot of people were just like, I don't know how they're going to perform. But if you did any homework on Palantir's financials, you would have seen that they were constantly increasing their profit margin, constantly increasing their revenue, constantly increasing their earnings per share. These are all indicators that this stock is overperforming, right? I know Wall Street people are like, oh, its fair value is 90, and that may be true. But the thing about the stock market is that they love good news. They love hype. They love something, just essentially rocking the market. So there was another curveball that came in that actually benefited Palantir. So Trump talked about tariffs. We saw the market go down. We saw it, kind of shake tech stocks. But then when they put that pause on there, that's when everybody was like, oh, okay, well, these stocks may actually be able to perform because we got a 1 month hold. So there's a nice little window to really get in and out. It was a perfect storm for Palantir to do its thing. We made the call. We made it happen. Made $12,000 while being able to support my mom for her eye surgery. That's what it's all about. If you want to learn more about how to do this, I'm telling you, we have the best group on the planet. And I advise you to do this, right? Matter of fact, do this when you get off this, off this video. Go try to find a group that has a profitable trader leading it. Then inquire about how much it costs to get all the information. Inquire about how much it costs to learn how to trade and then to listen in on live trading. I guarantee you it will be more than what we're charging. The reason that we're doing this is because we're not tripping about the money right now. We really just want you to learn this, but we're not going to be able to offer it at this price for much longer because the group is growing. And I'm not going to lie, once we get to a certain amount, it's just impossible to keep up with the demand in the way that we're doing it right now. So when supply is limited and demand increases, it's just pure economics for that price to go up. We've done everything that we can to help. And, like I said, I'm posting about it on all my social media. I'm giving you guys free plays, but after a while, the price will go up. Right now, it's only $40 a month. And you get our plays every single day, live trading with profitable traders every single day, and you get to be a part of a community that's making money every day. That's probably at the same level that you are, learning it and trying to grow your account. So now you're not in it by yourself. I know the people around you may not be trading. I know the people around you might be mocking you for wanting to try to get your bag up, but now you around a bunch of people that are doing the same thing as you. You can make friends there. Leave the other ones behind. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Again, that 50K challenge is going crazy. Y'all gotta go look through the videos. Every day that balance is increasing. What are you waiting for? Get in the group. Peace.